Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. This is another card video. So this is me doing funding for myself. And this here is from, as you can see, it's from Barclays. So what I did was, guys, I went in and applied for the Luxury Card. I'm not sure if they're really related to Barclays, but I know Barclays is what shows up on your credit when you do an inquiry. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into this video. We're going to go ahead and open up this box, and I'm going to show you what is in this box. All right, I'll be right back. And we are back. Look at that nice, pretty box that says Luxury Card. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what we have in here. Luxury Card. Piece of foam here. And looky there. There is the Luxury Card, the titanium card. And you can see my name is right there. And check this out. Watch this. You hear that? That's a solid piece of wood. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Put it right there. And as you can see, it's my beautiful name right there on the card. Oh yeah, this is a very nice card. So guys, this is what you can do when you get your credit straight. You know, get those scores up to the 700s, and you guys can be able to do funding just like this. And if anybody out there wants me to be able to do funding for them, you guys already know the number, 833-947-3863. And press the number 2 option, which is zip funding. If you'd like to be able to get personal or business funding, I can assist you, or one of my team members can assist you. This is way too easy for us to do, guys. And I know you guys are watching the video. I just put out another video just the other day about the American Express that I just received. And I don't know, a couple of weeks before that, I had another American Express. I have a ton of American Express right now. And in 2 more months, I'm going to go back and get another American Express. This is just way too easy. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you guys my new card. Sorry I did not have to do a phone interview. Otherwise, I would have recorded that call also. But I actually went on the website and filled out for this card, and they just gave me an instant approval. Well, actually, it wasn't an instant approval. I did have to email them some things, and I had to talk to them briefly. But it was just like, hey, what's your phone number? Gave them a phone number. They sent me a code. Oh, it's really you. And they said I was approved. But yeah, this is really cool, guys. Comes in a nice box, and it's really nice. But you already know what I'm about to say next. That's going to do it for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.